Hi, welcome back to Leela Institute. I am GB sir, your mentor for this lesson, and this lesson is about how to flatten a sleeve cap. For this lesson, you'll need a piece of white unlined paper measuring 12 inches wide into 16 inches long. You will also need a basic oak tack sleeve sloper. Okay, let's do the sleeve. We will fold the piece of paper in half lengthwise. Align the sleeve closest to the bottom and place the center length of the sleeve on fold line. Now take your ruler and extend the bicep line. Now give two measurements. 1/4 inch up and then another 1/4 inch up as demonstrated. Now trace the lower portion of our sleeve as I am doing. Yes, we will adjust the length later on. Now we come up to the top of the cap. Here we are going to give two guidelines, half inches out on the cap and then another half inch. What we are doing here is creating a sleeve with a flattened cap. That's considered a shirt sleeve. Now we trace the first half inch of the sleeve cap. We'll place the pencil in the mark, pivot the sleeve up to the first raised guideline. Now we'll trace the second portion of the second marking and then pivot sleeve up to the second raised guideline. Now continue to trace the rest of the sleeve, including the sleeve notches, all the way to the edge of the sleeve. Here sleeve cap measures the exact amount as it did before, but the cap is much shorter than it originally was. Now we'll mark the length of the sleeve. I will measure down the distance I want. In this case, I am taking 2.5 inches. And now I will square off my hem from the fold to where the length is. Mark back notches. And now I will trace my sleeve on the other side. Now we just need to trace the front armhole the same way as I am doing. Now using your styling curve, trace the top of the cap, and trace the hem of the sleeve. Place annotations, flattened sleeve, size 10 or whatever your size happens to be. And now the sleeve is done. Thank you.